Hello good people of the internet, my name is Valentin and this is the first official English language blog for the valentindombrist YouTube channel. There is a select few of you watching who already know who I am and are fortunate enough to understand what I'm saying at the moment. For you guys, I guess I don't need an introduction. For the rest of you, however, my name is Valentin. I am Canadian, I live in Canada, I don't live in Kazakhstan, not at the moment. I play an ethnic instrument called the Dombra. Cue montage. While I was visiting Kazakhstan, this beautiful instrument here caught my ear, and I so happened to really want to learn how to play it. My grandparents, they still live in Kazakhstan, so one day, a long time ago when I was 16 years old, my grandma, she came to visit and she brought me this Dombra right here as a birthday present. I learned to play it, and well, in the first 2 months that I was playing it, I decided to post a video of myself teaching people how to play a very simple melody. And to my shock, amazement, and surprise, it currently has over 150,000 views on the internet because apparently Kazakhs really like it when foreigners show the world their culture, their tradition. And I inherently happened to do that without realizing it. They really liked it. So now I have a bit of a following on the internet. However, most of my viewers are Russian speaking, which is why up until now I have not been posting anything in English. Now I have begun to gather a somewhat smaller but still existent portion of viewers from YouTube who do speak English and who want to hear a little bit about me, what I do about this thing, in a language which they understand. So here it is. So first of all, the Dombra. Yeah, people tell me is that a banjo? I'm like, no man, come on. A banjo is round, it's got 5 strings, it looks nothing like this. This, believe it or not, is actually one of the most ancient stringed instruments, let me correct myself, in the world. This and variants of it in different shapes, sizes with these 2 strings, they've been around for thousands of years in the Central Asian region. This is the instrument which eventually came down to the Middle East and evolved into things like the lute. Eventually it was brought over to Spain by the Arabs. The guitar appeared. From there we have a lot of modern music actually. Same thing with China. It made its way to China. This and bowed stringed instruments from Central Asia called the kobus, the dombra, the shirtir, they eventually evolved into instruments which are now played in China, in the Middle East, in Europe, all around the world now. And a lot of people, in fact most people, had no clue about that. And the thing is, I realized how beautiful this thing really is. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not a historian. I haven't received many years of professional musical training. Just some piano lessons and some Dombra lessons later on in life. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so please take this on an as-is basis. I really just want to share with you my experience and what I love to do, because music is something that connects people, and hopefully you're still listening at this point, and there is something about this which caught your ear that kept you to listen. So now, finally, the moment all of you have hopefully been waiting for. I would like to show you how this beautiful musical instrument of mine sounds. This is only a brief medley of some traditional and modern Kazakh melodies. There is no complete coherent song in this. Now alternatively, you can hook this thing up with a piezoelectric element to a sound source like an amplifier and rock out. Now remember, that's just a medley of relatively basic to intermediate songs. I'm not a pro. If you really want to see some mind-blowing stuff and this caught your ear, type in DOMBRA or DOMBYRA in YouTube search and you will find some mind-blowing videos. So for those of you who are interested even a little bit in what I do, I strongly suggest you go check out this channel. It's got a whole bunch of awesome videos, it's got music, it's got a news report about me in Russian with English subtitles about how I play the Dombra and whatnot. It's just got a lot of cool stuff, so go check it out. Eventually, I'm going to be putting up music videos on there. I also rap and I make electronic music. You will find a lot of that on there. On this channel, I'll be blogging in Russian, in English at times as well. If there's a demand for it, I will turn this into a regular thing. Hopefully there will be. Hopefully there will be people interested enough. So yeah, if you like what you hear, please click the subscribe button. I will personally deliver a musicaliciousness-basted beast feast to your door this very evening for you and your family and friends to enjoy. For the time being, this was valentindombrist, live from Vancouver. I will see you guys around.